This is how the students will take the test on that is Proctored using Honorlock. The student will go to where the test is, then they will click on the test name, and then they will click on the start attempt, and then they click on the continue button. So when the Honorlock is enabled, it will appear with those instructions. So that's this test name. That is the data collection. The student will click on agree and then we'll click on authorize in order to continue. And then we click on continue to check the headsets. So you can run the system check so that you can check the compatibility of the operating system, the browser, and the internet speed. So it indicates that your system is good to go for the test. These are the guidelines that are set by the lecturer on the test, of which all of these students are not supposed to or are not allowed to use. So once that you have already seen or read the instructions, and then you click on begin authenticate. When you click on begin authenticate, it will ask you to close all the tabs that are open, so for security reasons, and then let's leave. Continue. Yeah, so you will click all of those windows that you have opened, and then you click on continue or click on try again, so that for starters, make sure that all the windows are closed, and then you only open the Blackboard to avoid you having to close all those tabs. And then you click on the continue, and then you read the privacy details, you click on understand. Now it will want the face detection, so you'll have to put your face, then you take the photo. So once the face is detected, then you click on the screen so that you can be able to share. You click on the screen and then you click on continue. And then you click on the entire screen again so that you can be able to share the screen as you are going to write the test. So you click on continue. So now as you are continuing, then now you are good to go. So this is you now. You can focus on the test window. You can click on start your exams. So when you click on the start exams, it will take you through to where you are able now to start answering your question. So you answer your questions. The system is recording. The timing has taken its place. The timing is started. The system is recording and all that stuff. So you select the answer. You move to the next question. You select the answer. You move to the next question until you answer all your 5 questions or all the number of questions that are in a test. So you select each question and then you write. You click on continue. Do not click on save and close or you submit, so that you can be able to be sure that you have answered all of your questions. So make sure you answer all of your questions. You are on question 5, which means all of your questions. With these arrows, you are able to go back if backtracking is not prohibited. So you are able to go back to the previous questions and all that stuff. So when the last question is answered, the save and close and then the submit, you click on the submit button so that you submit your test to your lecturer. As it says that after you've submitted, you can't edit the test, you want to continue, then you click on submit when you are 100% sure that you are submitting your test. When all that is done, a feedback will be appearing like that, indicating that your test has been submitted successfully. So that is how the students write the test using the Honorlock. So it will tell you that thank you, the session has been submitted. You can now go back to the exam view. So students do not have to enable any any browser or any Honorlock, Honorlock, what is this word? Any Honorlock settings here, you don't have. you get inside the test where your test is. You click on it inside the test, and then you follow those steps of Honorlock as they are. I think that has answered most of the questions. The system, if the headsets are not allowed, then you are not using any headsets. You don't need a microphone to write the test on the Blackboard system. You just select or you just type the answer as per the questions that has been set by the lecturer. Thank you.